Hey everyone, welcome to another Fast Talk to talk about fast food and talking faster about it. And today we will be taking a look at another Munchpak. I haven't done one in a couple months, so let's go ahead and get into it. I have it down here. I will not be looking at the little thing. I see it right on top. I'm just gonna immediately throw it out, and we're gonna get right into it. I remember the first one was pretty good. Yeah, they're okay. So let's do it. We got a bag of chips, Piper's Big Ol' Suede Sweet Chili Crisps. It's like a bag of big chips, but the net weight thing is like a sticker on there. It's strange. Crap, there's all languages on there. Like they got like every language on there. I don't even know. Gluten free. I think a lot of things in here are gluten free. I'm gonna say Denmark. Or no, I'm gonna say Canada because they're the ones that did the ketchup chips. Just like regular like barbecue chips. Rochester Amori Sabor Chocolate. I'm gonna say Arabia or Spain because I just see this Abraki, and then there looks like Arab script on it. Just a dusty chocolate filled Oreo. A Choco. This is powdery. I know not everyone here reads comics or anything, but you guys remember Chacos from Just League International? That's a box I would do if DC Comics did a subscription box of all their foods, like Chacos and like Big Belly Burger thing. Like they did like a subscription box, like you make your own Big Belly Burgers and like here's some like snacks or something like that. I know they're doing one for the Snyder Cut, but I don't know. Femto Millions. I think he mixes the drink. Oh, and also, I think this is UK just because it says Golden Casket, UK. So okay, it's chewy candy, but it's in the flavor of the drink Vimto. Okay. It's like a cream soda. That's weird. Uh-oh. We got a repeat. These have been in here before. I think these are Denmark. Oh no, these are Denmark. I really like those. Yeah, that's a repeat because we got the pretzels, I think, in my first box or second box. Pizza archery flavor pretz. Baked snack sticks. Yeah. Still pretty good. There wasn't a booklet in it this time. Usually there's a little... Oh, you can get a through subscription in it. Just, you know. And that's on the 25th, which would be today. So, go and do that. What the heck? Usually they're a little booklet. So now I have to put up on the screen what it is. So, the pizza sticks were from Thailand. The millions were from the UK. Try not to spill that anymore. The Mori was from... Oh, we have Righteous or Munchpak from Brazil. The Pepper Crisp from the UK. And then you need United Kingdom, and the Sour Power Straws are from the Netherlands. We got 2 repeats of previous boxes. Got some new stuff. Actually, no, 3 things, because the pizza sticks and the punch straws were from previous boxes. 2 new things, pretty good. So we're for that. The one thing about the Munchpaks isn't there isn't a flavor profile mix-up. You don't get some. You get a lot of this was sweet stuff. We don't get like a sweet thing and like a sour thing and a tart thing, and then maybe something like I don't know. They're just doing snacks. Not expecting much from the mini. It's the lowest price around $13. Still pretty good though. If you want one, I'll put a link down in the description, and check the rest of my reviews, and we'll see you all later.
Yeah. Ay. Woo, woo, woo. I'm like, ooh, pull up and see how I live in my crew.